Greetings and salutations. This is part 2 of the Baxter auction. I'm going to be showing you a bunch of stuff. The story is a veteran got stuck in a snowstorm for about a week. Nobody come to help him, and he wound up dying in his truck. So when the family went to settle the estate, they found all this stuff. As I said, he was a veteran in communications. So he collected a lot of that. A lot of it is going to be military grade stuff. And we all know that I'm into the ephemera. The ephemera does pretty well, especially when it concerns radios, vintage. You know, you're talking like anywhere from 15 to 50, depending. So anyway, there's all these books. Check this big one. I'm going to try and get close up. It is Zenith. The dial still works. Boy, that's pretty nice. I've sold these before, and they sold for about 20 each. All right, gonna be getting into it now. If you see something you want, just pause. I'm gonna try and get as much of it as I can. I know you guys want model numbers and stuff like that. I'll do the best I can with oscillators. Pardon me breathing hard. I have not eaten. I'm on a quest to lose weight, and I have done very well. Look at this stuff. This is really nice. I've had these before. These don't do as well as you think they would. On with the electronics. I'm shaky. I need to get something to eat. Whew. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yay. I'll put the dates down below when this auction is taking place. It's not for another week, so this video should be out in plenty of time for you to look at the stuff. As I said, just if you see something you like, give them a call, ask questions. You know, if it's reasonable, they'll ship, as long as it's not too heavy. I'm located in Indianapolis, Indiana, where the Baxter auction is. You can come on out and pick it up. Tell them Big Bro sent you, please. Yeah, these used to do well. Then it's, you know, do your comps. That's all I gotta say. Now there's only a few that sell really well. auction. Everything is sold as is. They'll typically plug something in. I doubt they'll be plugging these in. But maybe. So this gentleman had a lot, collected a lot, obviously. I can't show everything. Oh, look at this. I might have to look that up. There you go. Look it up. Instructions. Looks new. It looks like a tester. Could be wrong. I really don't know much about this stuff. I'm sure people in the comments can tell me exactly what things are. And I would appreciate that very much if you actually do know what they are. And sports timer. Amplifier. I can't stop on every piece. The video will be too long. I had one of those. Okay, just the box is worth it. And then odds and ends. There's always odds and ends. Plenty of tubes. You are allowed to take them out of the box. I'm just not, because I'm not going to be purchasing any. And that's what we got for the electronics. Hey, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on the next.